Right, so I'm here at the photography show. I'm looking to upgrade my wireless mic system. Apparently I'm being illegal, and there's a little deal here that I want to check out. So we're just going to throw it on, test it out and see how it sounds. Let us know what you think below, but by that point I might have bought it already. These guys definitely hoping, and that's the plan. This is it, Audio Technica System 10 ATW 1701/P01. I've been set up now. Audio Technica 1701 is on the 80D. It's going to be straight out of the camera pretty much. As always, I limit to -4 in Final Cut, but that's about it. No extra effects. So I'm going to walk off now and see how it sounds, and Patrick's going to wave at me and let me know if all is good. That's about it now, so I suppose I just wander off. Actually, I don't want to look a complete loser talking to myself, so I'm going to pretend I'm on the phone. Right then, I'm off. Don't look at my bald patch. Got things hanging around here. So and, yeah, already gone? That's interesting. What are the challenges of using a Wi-Fi system in such a busy place like this?
So you've got lots of people, that's the big cause. Lots of people getting in the way, big balls of water and meat, so that sometimes does cause issues. Lots of Wi-Fi being around and very powerful transmitters can maybe also cause issues, but we do have 3 levels of diversity here, so yeah, if things sort of do start to drop out, that it will try and find alternative frequencies to provide you the best unintrusive and uninterrupted audio signal. So that is the advantage of using these systems here.
Another test now, a simpler test, hopefully not so many Wi-Fi frequencies getting in the way. Hopefully that's given, well, me and you some idea as to the power of this thing, but more the challenges that you can get from using a microphone system like this. But I think this one could be a good upgrade for me, especially for the channel, as I'm not going to be shooting in such extreme situations, and I'm usually shooting on my own. Not sure about the challenges, again, not sure about the interference, but we'll see how we get on, and these guys will probably look after me, I hope, even more than the show price. Yes? We've come to this rooftop car park right here, and we want to hear how it sounds. Now I'm checking the monitor, it runs quite hot, so I've had to bring it down a bit. So, you know, this is a quality mic, it should be sensitive, but there's a lot of ambient noise going on. There's a shuttle train that goes past to this side, there's a normal train going that way, there's traffic going across there. At some point there'll be planes going across there. Not long ago a helicopter went that way. All sorts of stuff going on, but how does it sound? Of course I can walk as far as I like and you should still be able to hear me. I can just about see it monitoring and it's absolutely fine. There's no real interference because there should be no other connections up here, but now I should be completely disappeared more or less. So I'll walk back now and you shouldn't hear any difference in sound, but this isn't something that I'm going to be doing all that often, but you know what, just for testing purposes. I mean, it's not pretty, but who cares? Is the sound pretty? That's the point. Anyway, let's crack on and I'll let you know if I bought it afterwards. Although let's be frank, some of you already know. Yeah, I bought it. So, you know what? I thought it seems like an absolute bargain. Had a little look online, as you always do, and I got it. Audio Technica, I don't know, System 10 digital. At least now they can't find me. This will fit nicely with all your cameras that use 3.5mm jack. I believe if you're a Sony user, you can switch on and off with this too. But for me, this is for the Canon and for the Fujifilm. So, you know what? That's that. Time to start using it. Take it easy.